Good morning to our lecturers, Sir Hayat Rafi and all my classmates. My name is Nur Suhaila and my partner is Siti Nazira. So today we will present topic 7 about learn how to teach measurement. Measurement is a number that show the size or amount of something. Apa yang boleh kita fahamkan di sini ialah measurement merupakan nombor yang menunjukkan size ataupun jumlah sesuatu. The next concept is long or short. Long or short is the term that being used to measure length. For example, first of all, you might contrast long and not long. When your child has fully understood this, then introduce the word short. This helps to prevent them becoming mixed up about which word is which. However, this does require them to understand the word not. The first activity is we have to use real object. It is always better to start with real object and hands-on activity. For example, you may have a long ruler and a short ruler, or a long train and a short train. Put both items in front of the child and introduce them. Say, this ruler is long. Emphasize the word long and hold your arms out to give visual support. Then show them the other one and say, this is not long. Other activity is we can use a picture. Point out long and short items in books when you see them. Try to use picture with a big difference in size between the long and the short one, so it is really obvious which one is which. Concept number 4 is heavy or light. Heavy or light used to measure weight. Apa yang boleh kita fahamkan, konsep ini digunakan untuk mengukur berat sesuatu objek. For example, put 2 objects on the scale and show students that the heavier object drops toward the ground while the lighter object can be lifted up. I think that's all from me. I will pass you to Siti Nazira.
This part, I will explain about tall or low. Definition of low is when something is a small distance and tall is when something has a greater height. For example, display 2 items side by side, where one is tall and the other is short. For example, show a baseball and a baseball bat. The second next is big or small. For example, show them a large item such as a big book and tell them that it's big. Show students a little item such as a quarter and tell them that it's small compared to the big book. Give other items to various students. Have students place big items in one pile and small items in another. Next is hot or cool. Use determine the temperature. Example of activities number 1 is track daily temperature. Do it twice a day, morning and evening. As they become comfortable with the concept of hot and cold, you can also include afternoon. Secondly, experience firsthand. Heat water in the cup and pour them into different cups at regular intervals before it starts boiling. This is to ensure that each bowl of water will be hotter and than the one before. You can do the same with cold water. Take a bowl of normal water, chilled water and ice. And the conclusion is that children learn measurement through several concepts.